February referee Sergey Karkashian, after hearing the arguments Uliana Suprun, the Minister of Justice Pavel Petrenko, Igor Mosiychuk and their representatives, went to the consultative room for decision-making. As the decision dragged on for a few days, on 13 February, the cabinet issued a decree on ensuring of work of the Ministry of Health of Ukraine. The government instructed Uliana Suprun temporarily, until the appointment of the minister, perform the duties of the head of the ministry, in addition to determining political priorities and strategic directions of the ministry. The court finds that Otokana cabinet authority Mississippi. Suprun can perform on the Minister of Health, removes the contradictions which were the basis for the existence of the ban. In court a few hours, there were disputes about whether someone other than Uliana Suprun, to carry out its duties, as well as discussions regarding the number of official passports. Igor Mosiychuk said that he has evidence that during the last 2 years Suprun went abroad no passport of Ukraine. The politician said that the lawyer of Mississippi. Suprun did not deny during the hearing that she has dual citizenship. The lawyer said, denied. Also the deputy Mosiychuk was set in a courtroom the question of why Uliana Suprun has still not appointed a minister, and also why some of the other deputies may not perform the duties instead. According to the deputy, the decision to ban Uliana Suprun to be the minister does not pose a threat to the health system, because the functions of the head of the Ministry of Health will be able to carry another person, as in the case of assignment Mississippi. Suprun. Protection Mississippi Suprun noted that it lacks the ability to delegate minister to someone of the deputies, otherwise it threatens the opening of a criminal case. I ask one thing, give me the ability to sign documents, work. Unlock my work, appealed to the court clerk. She assured them that she is a citizen of Ukraine and crossed the border with a Ukrainian passport. The Minister of Justice Pavel Petrenko, as the representative of the government, said that the cabinet decision on the appointment of Mississippi Suprun is legitimate, it clearly fulfilled its mandate and any violation of the constitution or laws there. He added that among the requirements that are put forward to the minister there is no other, besides Ukrainian citizenship, but from the point of view of the laws of Ukraine, if the person has submitted the application for renunciation of citizenship of another country, after obtaining Ukrainian, then that's enough. The judge got more than enough arguments from the government and from Uliana Suprun about the absurdity of his decision. Suprun is the head of the Ministry of Health, it is a fait accompli, said after the court hearing, Mr. Petrenko. Among those who came to support Mississippi Suprun in front of the courthouse, was the first Deputy Minister of Economy Maxim Nefedov, former Deputy Minister of Internal Affairs Anastasia Diva, some medical students, representatives of charity organizations and others. Members shouted shame Mr. Chairman and held placards, Apatosaurus, hands off from Uliana Suprun, and man to water Incan Suprun no. The District Administrative Court of Kiev forbade Mississippi Suprun to perform the duties of the Minister of Health on 5 February after the claim of the deputy from the Radical Party Igor Mosiychuk. Suprun is not competent to hold the office of the Minister of Health, has no Ukrainian citizenship, no proper education, no proper skills, said the deputy. Mississippi Suprun has called this another attack on the transformation of the health system. A very dangerous attack on all the changes that our team has embodied for the last time. There is no person who can sign documents, orders, warehouses or medications that cannot be sent to the regions, said Mrs. Stephanie Sheena, calling the decision of the court harassment of the Ministry of Health. Suspension Uliana Suprun week actively discussed in social networks. A lot of people talking about the support of Mississippi Suprun, social networking is gaining popularity #sharp patrimonisation. When the court has decided to ban Mississippi Suprun work, the court stated that it had considered the arguments of Igor Mosiychuk that Suprun, in addition to Ukrainian citizenship, is still a foreign citizenship, U.S. citizenship.